Hi friends! Today we are going to draw something super fun and super easy. A cute little house. Are you ready?
Yay!
Let's begin.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
Alright kids, grab your black marker. First, let's draw a big triangle for the roof. Nice and slow. Great job! Now, under the roof, draw a big rectangle. This is the main part of our house. On one side of the house, draw a door. Make a tall, rounded shape, just like this. On the other side, let's draw a big window. Add curved lines to make it look cute. Now, draw a small window in the top middle of the house. Awesome! Let's draw a chimney coming out from the roof. Perfect! At the bottom, draw a long rectangle for the base. You're doing great! Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Wow! Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it is time to color. Let's show our color pens. And as we color, let's say the color names together. Purple color.
Wow!
Blue color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Green color. Yellow color. Orange color. Red color. Amazing coloring, little artists! Great job, friends! You drew a beautiful house today. If you loved drawing with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us again for more fun drawings.
Yay!
Bye-bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.